In today's tutorial, we're diving into Google Sheets to show you how to create a table that's both functional and visually appealing. Whether you're tracking expenses, organizing a project, or analyzing data, a well-structured table is key. Let's get started and transform your data into a masterpiece. Step 1. Open Google Sheets. Launch Google Sheets and open a new spreadsheet or the one you want to add a table to. Step 2. Input your data. Enter your data into the cells. You can organize it by rows and columns, with headers to label each column. Step 3. Format as table. Highlight the range of cells that contain your data. Then, right-click and choose Format Cells followed by Table. Step 4. Style your table. Choose from the preset styles or customize your own with borders, shading, and font styles to make your table stand out. Step 5. Add filters, optional, for added functionality. Click on the filter icon in the header row to enable sorting and filtering options for each column. Step 6. Adjust and finalize. Make any final adjustments to your table size, alignment, or color scheme. Once you're happy with it, your table is ready to use, and just like that, you've created a stunning table in Google Sheets. If this guide helped you level up your spreadsheet skills, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more practical tutorials.